Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Dodge Ram 1500 taillight. First, gather your tools, a Phillips head screwdriver, and your replacement parts. Make sure your truck is off and the parking brake is set. Then, open the tailgate. This gives you clear access to the two screws holding the tail light in place. It's a straightforward process that takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Now, let's remove the old tail light. Take your Phillips head screwdriver and unscrew the two retaining screws you just exposed. Once those are out, carefully pull the entire tail light assembly straight back. It might feel a little snug, but it will come free. Finally, disconnect the electrical harness by pressing the small tab and pulling the connector apart. With the old assembly removed, it's time for the new one. First, connect the electrical harness to your new tail light assembly. Make sure it clicks securely into place. Next, align the new assembly with the two mounting pins on the truck's body. Gently push the assembly straight forward until it sits flush against the vehicle. You should feel it seat properly. Almost done. Now, take your two Phillips head screws and reinstall them to secure the new tail light assembly. Tighten them snugly, but don't over-tighten. Once the screws are in, close your tailgate. Finally, have someone help you test all the light functions: the running lights, brake lights, and turn signals. This ensures everything is working perfectly and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.